Good evening, everyone.
I
would like to say a big thank you to our roads. Yeah, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much. You're always with us. You're always blessing us. You go out of your way to be with us. I think those are the blessings we are getting. To the family of my dear husband, thank you so much for supporting us. To our family, people from Gulu, I just love you. I love your energy. I can't express this happiness. For me, I was, where's Stephen? Stephen, thank you so much. I think for the past 2 days, I've been on the phone. I was nervous. I was like, are you coming? Are you setting off? Call me at 1 when you're off. Call me when you have arrived. So I've really been in a panic state because you know our roads. But to the drivers that brought you here, thank you so much. And when you're driving back, please take little breaks. Take little breaks. Don't allow, make sure you're having a look at the driver, because if a driver tries to sleep, please just stop that. And I've been told 2 of the drivers, I think they are somewhere sleeping, trying to rest. To the DP family,
what will DP?
I had to wear the green. I had to wear the green. I love green actually. Yes. So to my dear brother, Honorable Minister Dr. Mona. Thank you so much with your dear wife. Thank you. I've never been sick for this long. To all the MPs that have made it here, because you all know the situation we are in. People are intimidated. They are scared. So thank you so much to my sister Sarah Bujingo. Thank you so much for making the time. And to my brother, Honorable Rukali, thank you so much for coming. And yeah, to everybody, plus the team, Hotel Africana. You've done a great job, and I'm really sorry where I went wrong, because I'm a perfectionist, so I may have shaken me a bit, but thank you so much for making those dishes. And yes, I want to say something about my husband. No, don't go out. This man here, I don't want to talk today because I think I'm emotionally not okay today. So, all I want to say is, he's a very nice man. I must say, I have, apart from my kids and God who protects us or something, this man is something else. He will give you time. He will give everybody time. He will find you on the street and he will say, hello, who are you? He will give you time. I thank God for giving me this man. And I think one last thing is, he has really given me the courage. And that courage, however much you go into panic, he will tell you, this is not for us. It's for Uganda. It's for all of us. However much you would, why he started to run away. He said, no, you will stand with me and we shall go all the way. I want all of you today before you leave, even if when you've left, continue praying for him. Just do that. Just continue. Whatever, whether you're Muslim, whether you're Christian, just say a little prayer because the next few days are really going to be hard. But he doesn't look scared. Yeah. Thank you so much. I wish you a safe journey home. Thank you.
Another round of applause for her, please. Now, that is an actually proverb that even a monkey do sweat, but you can't see the sweat because of the many hairs.
Because she's saying that I'm not looking afraid.
First of all, I would like to say to God be the glory for the great things He has done. I'm blessed to meet one of the most brilliant people in this country. When Honorable Norbert MAO came to Ministry of Justice and I was told that I'm going to work with him, I told God in my bedroom, I said, God, I'm going to work with the wise man. Help me. Give me the wisdom to do the right thing. And God is very faithful. He gave me the wisdom. I have learned a lot. I am very proud that He gave me an opportunity to work with this fine, brilliant gentleman. Honorable Norbert MAO, you have a pure heart. Whoever doesn't know, I have to tell you, this gentleman has a good heart. And because of that, the Lord is taking in places. I can assure you, I'm here to testify that He's going places. Thank you very much. To the people of Bagulu, thank you so much for supporting him. Thank you very much for praying for him. Thank you very much for supporting his wife, Madam Beatrice MAO. I know you're busy somewhere. Thank you for taking care of this great man. I pray for you. I pray for your children, and we wish you all the best. To the team in office, we are one, and we continue to pray for our cause. Thank you very much for listening.